Are you studying for IELTS writing exam and feeling overwhelmed with all the information that's out there? Or maybe feeling a little bit like all the steps you're taking and all the hard work you're making with your IELTS writing isn't getting you anywhere? I want to tell you about a free course we put together that is all about taking simple, efficient steps to improve your own writing. So it's a self-study course. It's not just an information dump. It's a bit different to other courses you might find out there. Instead of trying to just give you a bunch of information, it's all about giving you the support you need to practice yourself to study for the IELTS exam. And it's made up of 3 simple units that are going to help you with real, proven, efficient techniques that I've used to help hundreds of IELTS students to improve their IELTS writing score. In the first unit, we're going to have a look at how you can read your own essays and check the structure of them, so that every time you write an essay, you can go back and look at it and you can make changes that you need to make to improve the structure of that essay and get a really high score for task response and coherence and cohesion in the writing exam. In the second unit, we're going to learn 3 simple but very effective grammar structures that are really, really flexible. And that means that you can put them into almost every single essay that you write. And these are the sort of structures that will really impress your IELTS examiner and will help you get the grammar score you really want to get. The third unit is about language use, and it's going to teach you how to study language and what types of language you should be looking for. So these 3 units together aren't just going to dump a bunch of information on you. They're going to help you improve your own English and take simple but effective steps to improve your IELTS score.